Good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing the Princess and the Frog beignets. I've always been interested in doing this, and why not today? Every time I go to Disney, I've been interested in trying those beignets, but why not do it at the comfort of your home? It should be good. So I will be showing you the process and the ingredients used and then the final outcome. So I hope you guys enjoy my video. Make sure to hit that thumbs up and let's go. Okay, so these are the ingredients used in this video. Perfect, so we're gonna grab a small bowl or a measuring cup and combine the warm water, sugar, and yeast, and then stir. 2 teaspoons and 1. Doing the next step, I'm going to be adding the evaporated milk. And then we're combining the 2 eggs. This 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, next step, we are adding this, and then we will be whisking it just to mix what we had before. I think I'm doing 4 cups today, honestly. I know this mixture is for 6, but I don't think I'll need that much. Maybe it'll work. Letting this rest for 2 hours. Well, this is my final result. Honestly, I think I did something wrong. This is how it looks. So cheers. No. It's really good. Just, I think I mixed too much flour. I don't think that's it, but I feel like there's something missing, like just a little flavor, but it's really good. You could see this, it's very puffy, and then it's very like, yeah, that's really good, but it's just, I think I put too much flour in it. Like at the end, when I was mixing, I wasn't supposed to mix it. So when I was reading the instructions, it said not to mix, and I did. So that was my mistake. It's really good, but like I said, next time when you guys are doing it, do not mix it at all. It's just for not to paste around the counter, so yeah. But yeah, I do hope you like this video, so make sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. But yeah, this was a total fail.